नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे चैनल चारू चौधरी में। दोस्तों, दिवाली आने वाली है और आप सभी को इसी के साथ में एक ऐसे टॉपिक भी मिलने वाला है कि आपको दिवाली पर ऐसे लिख के लाना है। तो दोस्तों, क्या लिखोगे मैं आपको बता देती हूँ क्या आपको लिखना है। यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं आराम से सारी जो लाइन्स हैं वो सारी आप अपने ऐसे में यूज कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको पैराग्राफ लिखने को दिया है, ऐसे लिखने को दिया है या आपको कुछ लाइन्स लिखने को कही हैं तो आप ये सारी लाइन्स जो हैं बिल्कुल ले सकते हैं और जो कि बिल्कुल यूनिक है। आपको ऐसी जो लाइन्स हैं बिल्कुल ईजी सिंपल वे में और बेस्ट तरीके से आपको लिख के मैं बता रही हूँ। फटाफट से हमारे चैनल को लाइक कर लीजिए और देखते हैं क्या लिख सकते हैं आप दिवाली ऐसे पर। Deepavali, the festival of lights, is one of the most widely celebrated festivals of Hindus. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm throughout India and in some other parts of the world. With this festival are associated many lords and legends. It marks the victory of Lord Ram over Ravan and the homecoming of Lord Ram after an exile of 14 years. As a matter of fact, this festival is the symbol of victory of the forces of virtue over evil. About Diwali celebrations. On the day of Diwali, there are hectic activities all over the country. People invite their near and dear ones. On this day, sweets are made and distributed among friends and relatives. People spend this day in fun. New clothes are worn by everyone. Children and teenagers dress in their most glittering clothes. At night, fireworks and crackers are also let off. The bright flames of the fireworks present a wonderful scene in dark night. The festival wears a lovely look. Everyone is well dressed. Some celebrate the day in the most enthusiastic manner. At night, the people decorate their houses with lights, diyas, candles, and tube lights. They eat, drink, and enjoy the evening with crackers. The cities and towns are immersed in light and sound of the fireworks. Apart from houses, public buildings and government offices are also decorated by people. Significance of Diwali. Hindus worship Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, on this day. They offer prayers so that goddess Lakshmi may visit their houses. Deepavali is the festival of the whole country. It is celebrated in every corner of the country. So, this festival also creates a sense of oneness among the people. It becomes a symbol of unity. India has been celebrating this festival for thousands of years and continues to celebrate it even today. All Indians love this festival. Celebration of Diwali with family without crackers. Diwali is my favorite festival of the year and I celebrate it with lots of enthusiasm with my family members and friends. Diwali is called the festival of lights because we celebrate it by lighting lots of diyas and candles. It is a traditional and cultural festival celebrated by each and every Hindu person all over India and abroad. People decorate their houses with lots of candles and small clay oil lamps, indicating the victory of good over evil. Family members spend most of the day time in preparing house, cleaning, decorating, etc. to welcome the festival with a grand evening party. Neighbors, family members and friends get collected in the evening party and enjoy the party with lots of delicious Indian dishes, dance, music, etc. all through the night. Houses look very attractive in whitewash, candle lights, and rangolis. High pitched music and fireworks make the celebration more interesting. People go to their homes by taking off from their job, offices and other works. Students also book their train around 3 months ago to easily go to their home at Diwali festival because everyone wants to celebrate this festival with their family members in the hometown. People generally enjoy the festival by feasting, bursting crackers and enjoying the dance with family and friends. However, it is prohibited by the doctors to get outside and enjoy firecrackers, especially people suffering from lung or heart disease, hypertension, diabetes, etc. Such people have to knock the doctor's door because of consuming highly saturated food and sweets in high amounts and lack of exercise and pollution caused by crackers these days. The spiritual significance of Diwali. First of all, many people try to forgive people during Diwali. It is certainly an occasion where people forget disputes. Therefore, friendships and relationships get stronger during Diwali. People remove all feelings of hatred from their hearts. This beautiful festival brings prosperity. Hindu merchants open new account books on Diwali. Furthermore, they also pray for success and prosperity. People also buy new clothes for themselves and for others. This light festival brings peace to people. It brings the light of peace to the heart. Diwali certainly brings spiritual calmness to people. Sharing joy and happiness is another spiritual benefit of Diwali. People visit each other's houses during this festival of lights. They do happy communication, eat good meals, and enjoy fireworks. Finally, to sum it up, Diwali is a great joyful occasion in India. One cannot imagine the delightful contribution of this glorious festival. It is certainly one of the greatest festivals in the world. तो दोस्तों ये था दिवाली पर फेस्टिवल। अगर आपको पसंद आया है तो आप लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर सकते हैं। आपको कुछ और भी इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं, कुछ लाइंस आप ऐड करना चाहते हैं तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं। कोई सजेशन हो, एडवाइस हो, पसंद आया हो, वो सब आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के ज़रूर बताइएगा। वीडियो को शेयर करना, सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।